Hi guys, this is a Laurel's watch which I bought from Amazon. It's also available in Flipkart. So it's actually a brown color watch and a sandal color dial. They say it's a dual time watch, but it's not actually. So we have a warranty card inside it. So within 10 days, if there is any replacement or return, you can do it with Amazon or a Flipkart. After that, you have to send to this address mentioned in the warranty card. So here are the watches. They have kept it in a sponge layer. It has a good stitching on the leather. A nice sandal color or tan color. The strap is so hard. The appearance of the watch looks good. So there is a dual clip for the leather strap, and there's a small pin over and a good stitch without any damage, and the thickness is also good. It's a strong leather. But here we have a defect. That pin is rusted. It's not stainless. And the strap is also so hard. And we have a stainless steel back cover, but there are few rusted pieces on that, if you can see that. And also here it's actually not a dual time, it's just a hour and a minutes separately and seconds separately, so it's not a dual time. Here there is one more problem. Actually, at the strap there is a scratch, so the quality is not good. It's better to replace this product, but the stitches are fine. Here there is one more problem. See, they have stitched it with a yellow thread. It's actually a torn piece. It's a damaged product. Well, you can replace this and buy for a new one. This will be suitable for any jean with white shirts or green t-shirts and whatever combinations might be possible. So it has fit my hand properly, and it's also good looking, but only the quality is not good. It's better to try for a new one. The dial is also too big, so broad, and it's too big.